Take a look at these images right now. You can see how cool the images are actually looking like right now, and they look quite similar and consistent right here. That's why in today's video, I'm going to show you how you could create such kinds of consistent images with the help of an AI tool called Leonardo AI. So all you need to do right now is to just simply stick until the end of this video to learn this simple strategy and use this to create consistent images on this platform called Leonardo AI. Diving right ahead into the video, if you don't know about this platform called Leonardo AI, this is a platform whereby you can go on to creating images just by using description of the images or a simple prompt right there, and you can unleash your creativity with the power of Leonardo AI. It is an AI tool that actually creates production quality visual assets for your project with unprecedented quality, speed and style consistency right now. This is actually cool right here, and the cool thing about this is that you do get up to sign up for this platform for absolutely free. All you need to do is to click on launch app and sign up with your email address right there, and you're going to be brought to a page that will look similar to this. If you do keep on scrolling through, you can actually find out that all these images right here were actually created with the help of artificial intelligence, or the images were created with the help of this AI tool. Supposing you want to just simply check out an image, maybe I want to check out this image right now. I'm just going to click on the image right here, and you can actually do see the image closer and how cool it actually looks like. You could also see the image right here, what prompt was used to create this image. This was the prompt that was used to create this image, and this was the negative prompt right here that was used to create this image. The negative prompt actually indicates things you don't want to see in the image itself, while the normal prompt are things you want to see in the image. And you can actually go on to creating similar kind of image right here just by clicking on generate with this model. If you do so, guys, you can just simply create similar kind of image from this particular image right now. So all you have to do is to keep on scrolling through. You'll be able to see a lot of different kinds of images right here on this platform. So if you want to just simply create yours, you need to just simply come onto this section which says AI image generation, and if I do click on that, guys, I will be brought to this particular page right here, and you can see right here that these are actually images I went on to creating with the help of this particular AI called Leonardo AI, and it is quite cool right now. All you need to do right here is to just simply put in your description or your prompt right here in this section and generate your image. And you can see right here, guys, that for Leonardo AI you actually going to getting about 150 coins per day right now, and you can actually use a token or a coin to go on to generating an image right now. As you can see, I'm actually putting number of images as 2. Now, depending on the amount of images right here, that depends on the number of images that will be generated based on the prompt which you actually put in to this AI generation section. So right now, guys, I actually selected two images right here, so it's going to generate use 2 coins to generate 2 images anytime I actually do go on to generating an image right there. So you can see right here that for your 150 coin, it's actually going to go on to resetting every single day. So you just simply have 150 coins or token to spend that day right now. You could also go on to selecting an image dimension. You could actually edit your image, how you want your image to look like based on this particular section. And right here, guys, for this particular feature right here, you want to select either the Dream Shaper 7 or the 3D animation style based on what you intend on creating. Maybe I'm going to leave this on Dream Shaper 7. And right now, guys, for you to go into creating your prompt or to getting your prompt right now, you need to actually go into putting in something quite consistent. Maybe the description or the prompt actually have to be having some key features that are actually consistent. And how do you do that right there? It's quite easy. You just need to go into utilizing another AI tool out there called ChatGPT. So I can just simply use ChatGPT right here to actually go on to asking ChatGPT to describe. So right here you can see I just simply ask ChatGPT to describe a horror character with a pumpkin head in different scenes right here. And if I do click on enter right now, you can see the scene 1 right here. ChatGPT actually went on to describing horror character with a different with a pumpkin head in different scenes. All you need to do right now is to just simply come right here and copy this first scene right here. If you copy the scene, you actually head on to Leonardo AI right now, and you just simply go on to removing this entire prompt right here. I'm just going to go on to paste in the new prompt right now, And if I do click on generate right here, you can see that the generation has actually begun right now, and in about some seconds right here, the image will be generated right here. As you can see, this is actually the horror character right now, but actually it didn't went on to put in the pumpkin head. So instead, I'm just going to go back to ChatGPT right now and try to get the second prompt right here, which is the haunted woods. So if I copy this right now, head back to Leonardo AI, I'm going to paste in that prompt right in here, click on generate right now. It's going to go into generating the next set of images for me right here. As you can see, this is actually the next set of image, and this is quite similar to what I asked ChatGPT to go on to generating for me, a horror character with a pumpkin head right here. And you can see right here, that's actually kind of cool. So when ChatGPT actually does something similar to this right here, you can actually go on to utilizing this single image right now to go on to generating similar kind of images to this. So if you want to just simply generate similar kind of images to this, you can actually come right here and use as image guidance input. So if I just select this right here, this will actually be used as my input right here. So any image I actually going to creating right now will be related to this particular image right here. So all you need to do right now is to just simply go on to getting more prompt right here. As you can see, this is the image guidance. You could just simply come right here to the prompt generation and actually use this right here to actually put in your prompt idea. And if you do insert your prompt ideas right now, you can actually go on to using that to create a very cool image. So supposing, guys, I want to just simply go on to the third scene, I'm just going to come right here and just simply copy this scene, head back to this section, paste in that particular scene right there. As you can see, you actually need a maximum of length of 250 characters reached. So I'm just going to go on to reducing that. So if you do click on idea right here, you'll be able to go on to generating ideas that you can use right now, and you can see right here that these are actually ideas that you could just simply go on to utilizing. If you do click on generate right now, it's going to go on to generating such images related to this kind of image that you actually selected as a form of guidance. And you can see right here that the images are actually kind of consistent and similar right now. You can see these are actually kind of consistent images right here. So depending on the kind of prompt which you're actually going to utilize, and that depends on the prompt that you are actually going to go on to creating images from that look similar to this. So basically, guys, you want to just simply go on to utilizing this same image as a form of guidance for input right now, and go to creating similar kind of images to this. Once you do click on this icon, that's going to be as a form of guidance. Then you could just simply go on to inserting your prompt right here and utilize that to create similar kinds of images to this right now. So basically, guys, that's how it is to go on to creating consistent images with the help of Leonardo AI. If you have any question, leave that in the comment section down below, and don't forget to hit the like button to the video, subscribe to my channel OJ Marketing, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to always get alerted whenever I release videos that could help you out online. As you can see, I regularly post videos on ways you could actually go on to making money online with the help of CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, and the help of some AI tools right here, as you can see right now. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.